Kia ora koutou. This is part one in the videos about Rerepa, question and answer structures. In this video, I'll be introducing you to the first set of kupu pātai or two pātai question words. The kupu that we're starting off with today are wai, aha, and hea. Wai is used when we want to ask who. The second question word is aha, which means what. A little tip to remembering this one is that the word what has the word ha in the middle. The last one I'll be showing you is here, which means where. All of these words are called kupu pātai or two pātai question words. Here is our first Rerepa question sequence using wai. These questions start with the word ko, followed by wai, and then the person that you're asking the question about. Some examples here. Ko wai tō ingoa. Literally, who is your name? Or in more natural English, what's your name? Ko wai tō mama. Who is your mother? The last one. Ko wai tō hoa. Who is your friend? You'll notice that the answer sequence starts with the same word as the question. Ko wai tō ingoa. Ko Liz tōku ingoa. Both the pātai and the whakautu start with ko. In the whakautu, the answer sentence, the word wai is replaced with the answer. In this case, it's a person's name. Ko wai tō pāpā, ko George tōku pāpā. Here's a few more examples for you with a slightly different sentence structure. Staying with ko wai, but now we are asking who is the blank of blank. Ko wai te mama or Bart. Who is the mother of Bart? And the answer below, ko Marge te mama or Bart. In English, who is Bart's mother? Marge is Bart's mother. You'll notice the use of the are in all categories here, based on the generations of the people in the family. Have a look at the are in all videos if you haven't already, for a better explanation about this. Another couple of examples for the question ko wai, these ones using personal pronouns, or two kapi, koe, ia, and raua. Ko wai koe, who are you? Ko Betty aho, I'm Betty. Ko wai ia, who is he? Ko tāku tama ia, he is my son. Ko wai raua, who are they? They are students. So I've given you a range of how the ko wai structures can work so that you can have a go after you finish watching the video. Next up, he aha. The second two pātai is aha. The first question sequence I'm going to talk about to ask a what question starts with the kupu he. Here's the first example. He aha tō mahi. What is your job? The same rule applies that we talked about with ko wai. The question here starts with he, so that's how we will answer this one. I'm a teacher, so he kaya ko aho. I am a firefighter. He kai patuahi aho. He is a policeman. He pirihi mana ia. She is a doctor. He tākuta ia. He can also be applied to more than one of something. For example, he aha a raua mahi. What are their jobs? They are pilots, so he pairata raua. Here's another example. If you're asking about someone else's job, you could say he aha te mahi a, and then the person's name, or the person. The whakautu, he blank te mahi a, and then the rest of the answer, depending on the nature of the question. Or you could just say, he blank ia. I'll show you what I mean. Here we have kata. He aha te mahi a kata. He kai mahi ahu whenua te mahi a kata. Or you could just say, he kai mahi ahu whenua ia. She is an agricultural worker. Here is hera. He ha te mahi a hera. He kai waiata ia. She's a singer. Last one, here's Bob. He ha te mahi a Bob. He kai hanga ia. He's a builder. The third rerepātai, which asks where something is, kei hea. The question starts with kei, and in these examples, so does the answer. I've used this tū wāhi activity that I developed for students to show how it works. I've listed the tū wāhi on the left as a rarangi kupu to help us build the sentences. The question sentence structure is kei hea te blank, and the answer structure is kei blank I te blank. Our question is kei hea te te pea. Where is the teddy bear? Here's the first one. Kei hea te te pea. Kei runga I te tepu. On the table. Next one. Kei hea te te pea. Kei raro I te tepu. Kei hea te te pea. Kei muri I te tepu. Kei hea te te pea. Kei roto I te pauaka. If you wanted to say the teddy bear is in front of the table, kei mua I te tepu te pea. Last one. The teddy bear is between the table and the box. So, kei wainganui I te tepu me te pauaka. Another sentence that involves the word hea is nō hea, when you want to ask where someone is from. Again, the answer starts with the same word as the question. Nō hea koe, where are you from? Nō Manurewa aho. I am from Manurewa. Asking about where someone else is from. Nō hea tō pāpā. Nō koterana tōku pāpā. My father is from Scotland. And the last example, nō hea te māma or hera. Where is Hera's mother from? Nō te tai rāwhiti ia. She is from the East Coast. So there we have it. An introduction to rerepātai with the tū pātai, wai, aha and hea. Have a go with some of these with other speakers or learners of te reo Māori. Practice makes progress. Ngā mihi nui. Kia ora.